Hi, I'm Ruth Klein, brand strategist and productivity coach, and welcome to the marketing part of this. As I mentioned in the last video, the brand that you choose is very, very important. However, once you have your brand, you need to create your marketing plan, and all the marketing strategies need to reinforce your brand. That is why it's so important to first start off with a very clear and focused brand. You've got to know who you are, and that way you can attract the clients that you want. So now we want to create a marketing plan. It's very similar to a business plan, but it really has to do with what are the strategies that you can create that fit into your niche markets. You've heard a lot about niche markets. Those are specific markets that can use and benefit your services and products. And you may want to brainstorm with some people as to what the different target markets might be. You might think about generational marketing. For example, what about the 20-somethings? What is it about the 20-somethings? And with the expertise that you have, how can you help serve them with your services and products? What about 30-somethings, 40-somethings, 50-somethings, 60-somethings? You get the idea. That's called generational marketing. And different generations have different passages in life. So how can you help them get through some of those passages with the products and services that you have? That is called part of your marketing plan. The specific groups, targeted groups that you're going to be able to focus in on. You can also think about different industries. So you might think of experts. What specific experts? Attorneys, financial advisors, integrative doctors, nutritionists. Those are just some idea of an industry of professionals. You might start thinking about the trade arena. You might think of plumbers and carpenters and builders. What group would work so well with what you have to offer? Because it's all about really being able to be of service and being able to use your brand, leverage your expertise, and the wonderful qualities that you bring to the party for specific groups. The same thing exists when you're dealing with social media. Everyone says you've got to be on Facebook, you've got to be on LinkedIn, you've got to be here, you've got to be there. Well, there's some truth to that, and it's not the entire story. Why are you on Facebook? What is the strategy? What niche group are you trying to attract? Are you there just to stay in contact with friends? And if you're there to stay in contact with friends, are you also trying to promote your business at the same time? That's probably not the best strategy that you can use. So there's so many different types of strategies with social media. Social media today is a power and a force that needs to be reckoned with. And it's one that you really do want to take advantage of, but you need to have a marketing plan that fits closely. There are hundreds of different online groups and places where you can be seen. But if you don't have a clear idea of what your brand is, if you don't have a clear idea of what your different niche marketing groups are in your target market, it's going to be very difficult to create a strategy that reinforces your brand. This is one of the primary reasons that so many businesses and professionals today are spending time doing social media and not really being able to convert them into clients. It's because you're there, but that's basically all. So you want to be able to have a strategy, and that goes for all your social media, it goes for your offline marketing, it goes for your online marketing. And today, there's not one thing that you want to think about that you don't think in tandem. In other words, what's it going to take to target market offline, and what's it going to take to target and market offline? Both of those are very important. There is some convergence, there's some similarities, but there are also a lot of differences, and you've got to know what those are. I'm going to give you a marketing strategy that I have used for a long time that I've shared with clients, and it works really, really well. It's called the Circle of 12. Think of it this way. Create your Circle of 12 dream team. Who would you love to have as clients? I mean, dream big. Who would you like to have as clients? That's your first circle of 12. Then the next circle of 12 are the top 12 profitable clients that you have right now. If you only have 6, make it 6. If you only have 3, make it 3. If you have 18, go ahead and add 18. The next circle of 12 is your dream referral group. So who might know whom that would help you be able to target your original dream team. So it's your ideal circle of 12 referral a dream team, if you will. And then the last circle of 12 are those existing referrals right now. They may be existing clients. They love your services. They love your products. They've really been helpful for them. So what are the top 12 that can really give you some testimonials that are real? Not ones that hype you, but ones that are real. When we read testimonials, we know which ones are hype and we know which ones are genuine. So which are the ones that you can get that really gives an essence for who you are? Again, all of this plays back and reinforces your brand. This is why it's essential that you have a very clear and focused brand. Otherwise, you can have the best marketing strategies around. You can be doing wonderfully creative ideas on Facebook. But if they're not ideas and marketing tactics, if you will, that reinforces your brand, it's really going to be a waste of time. So I'm Ruth Klein, brand strategist and productivity coach. And the next video, I'll be talking about publicity.